Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Tech Expo Africa is here, bringing to you dynamic speakers and unforgettable workshops designed to give your business the much-needed boost to scale to the next level. The 2021 conference is built for Friday and Saturday, October 15th and 16th at the Dome, Alagbaka, Akure, 10 a.m. on both days. Event workshops will focus on blockchain technology, digital marketing, and workplace automation. Confirmed speakers include Toyin Yumesiri, Boye Oyewumi, Shola Oshinoiki, Obinna Iwonno, Suleiman Shaibu, Abiola Oshuniyi. Register today by logging on to www.techexpo.africa. For sponsorship and inquiries, please call 081-3399-5500. Tech Expo Africa, enabling development.